9th Standard Social Science, Geography, Chapter 13, Land Resources of Karnataka. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. Utilizing land for different purposes is called land utilization. Dash district has the largest net area sown? Kalburgi. The Dash district is the largest producer of sugarcane in Karnataka, Belgavi. Tobacco contains an intoxicating substance called nicotine. Answer the following questions in brief. Name the different types of land utilization in Karnataka. Net area sown, forest area, land not available for cultivation, other uncultivated land, fallow land. Write a note on the importance of agriculture in Karnataka. Agriculture is the main source of livelihood for many. It is the backbone of our state's economy. Economic progress depends on agriculture. Agriculture provides employment to people. It also provides food for the people and raw materials to industries. It is a source of revenue to the state and to earn foreign exchange. Coffee, silk, spices, tobacco, cotton, etc. are the agricultural products which are exported. Agriculture helps in the development of tertiary occupations like transport, banking, insurance, etc. It plays an important role in the political and social systems of the state. What is meant by irrigation? Name the main crops grown under irrigation. Crops grown by using water from canals, tanks, or wells is called irrigation. The main crops grown under irrigation are ragi, jowar, oilseeds, etc. Explain the main characteristics of mixed farming. Nowadays, a mixed type of farming is gaining popularity. In addition to growing crops, dairy farming, silkworm rearing, sheep rearing, poultry, beekeeping, fishery, etc. are taken up. It is called mixed farming. Write a note on maize. Globally, maize is considered as the queen of grains, is the food of South Karnataka. Maize, which is grown in plenty in South Karnataka, is predominantly used as food for human beings and fodder for the animals. Maize belongs to the grass family. It is a tropical crop requiring moderate rainfall and moderate temperature. Match the following: coffee, cotton, paddy, ragi, jowar. List B: Vijaypura, Tumkuru, Belagavi, Raichur, Haveri, Kodagu. Coffee, Kodagu; cotton, Haveri; paddy, Raichur; ragi, Tumkuru; jowar, Vijaypura.